And today I will be making cinnamon rolls with Ate Juliet because I don't think I can do this alone and there's no one to assist me but her. I've been stuck at home for how many months already. I haven't gone out and well, I'm craving for it. And since we can't go out to buy the things that we want, why not make it at home? And since I have all the ingredients with me, then let's just make what we're craving for, right? Right. Ate, paano to? Hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Ayaw!
Lahat dot-dotin natin kung saan siya pupunta.
Ayun!
Yun niya. Ayun.
Ganun na ba?
Isa naman kaya? Kasi hindi natin...
Kaya ba siya mag-isa?
Tapos yung isa ganyan eh. Ganyan.
Habang gumagal.
Tapos ibababa natin, hindi kaya siya mahuhulog. Kasi baka hindi naman siguro mahuhulog.
Try mo nga.
Okay. Ay, kaya... Ayan. Paano yan? Hindi siya nagpapantay. Ba't kaya siya ano? Yung merienda namin gagawin, mukhang 50-50 pa, mga masisira pa yata. Next year, paano ba kasi ito ikakapit? Ayaw naman ito matanggal. Hindi namin alam. May isa pumasok na, oh. Ba't kasi ayaw niya puma? Oh, ba't tumunog na yun?
Ano yun?
Mukhang nasira, oh. Ano yun?
So I have the ingredients for the dough. Going to add everything here and then I will be mixing it. Have milk that I made. And then I have 2 eggs. Okay. Frick. I also have butter here and I measured it is 1/3 cup. Tick, 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 tock, tock, tock. You need the yeast. So I just added 2.5 teaspoons. I have salt. 4.5 cup all-purpose flour. So I got my measuring cup. This is 1. Okay guys, you know what? This was pretty useless. I will just get this and then oh, I finished the flour. I used all my flour just to do this. 1/2 sugar here and I will add it. Ate? Busy ka? So I have Ate Juliet with me to rescue. Ate Juliet to the rescue!
Baka mali ang kabit natin. Paano ba't nang patayin?
At
Paano patayin? Nag-akyatan.
sasabog na to! Ate, may mali ata sa ginagawa natin.
Oo nga, ano ba kasi kulang nito?
Nakita niyo ba yan? Nasa taas na yung dough. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is this right? Ate Juliet, okay na ba to?
Paano na nangyari?
Okay na ba to?
Ha?
Okay na ba to?
Eh, matigas na yan. Ang tigas naman na.
Kaya nga naupo na.
Ano ba yan? Ay! Ayaw na niya umikot. Ayun o, matigas na siya.
Okay na yan. So guys, we decided that this is enough. So So we're gonna cover it for like 45 minutes to 1 hour. We're gonna use this cloth to cover the dough that we made so that the yeast is gonna boosh. So I'm back. It might just be a split second for you guys, but for me, it was actually the best break I have ever had. So I took a 30-minute break while I'm letting the dough set in. And the next thing I have to do is to make the cinnamon filling itself. And after that, I will be combining the two mixtures and create the cinnamon roll. I'm getting this butter and I'm putting it there. Oh, 1 cup pack brown sugar. The thing is, we don't have brown sugar, so I'll be using white sugar. And then you need cinnamon. Okay, this is 1 1/2. Okay. Let's mix it first.
Oh my gosh, you look so nice.
Really? I look so haggard already. So this is what baking is. So since I've already set the dough, I think it's now time to reveal what actually happened to the dough. Did something actually happen or did it just stay the same? I don't know. This is how it looks like. Is this improvement? Did something actually happen? Okay, we will see it. We will just put it here. I think I need to... Okay, that's not right. Okay, it's a fail. Ate Juliet! Patulong! So I'm the assistant now. Okay, so she's putting flour. Oh! So we already preheated the oven. The next thing we're going to do is to add the cinnamon filling to the dough that we made. Cinnamon rolls we made there as well. So we're putting the cinnamon rolls into the oven. Okay, so we will heat it for 25 to 30 minutes.
Ay, luto na agad!
What?
Joke lang.
Ayun, ate, tumaas siya kanina. Oh! Up here, up here! Up here!
Oh, gumawa kami ng, ano yung San Simon?
Cinnamon roll. San Simon.
Malalaman pa lang namin pagka naluto na kung perfect na
Perfect na
ang gawa namin.
Perfect na perfect. It's already 7:40. We started at 3 p.m. That's almost 5 hours. Titingnan mo.
Wow! Mataba na siya!
Right? Oh my gosh!
Hala, oh, tingnan mo, kumukulo na
It's getting
siya.
fatter. Oh!
Kumukulo na.
Na-excite ako! So, here goes our cinnamon roll. Parang nasunog. Pero ito, looks good.
Kaya parang mas malapit siya.
Okay, that is the other one. Perfect!
Talaga nagluluto. Merong sunog, merong luto. Yung sunog kay Ate Rosie. Titikman na namin kung ano ang lasa.
Ate ko muna. Ayan. Ang tigas ba? Ako ngayon.
Pwede na. Pwede na.
Alam mo yung otak?
Ano lasang utak? Pero pwede na.
Lasang otak for me.
Pero ayos na rin ah.
Pero kain lang siya na kain. Kaya mo siya kainin.
Oo, paborito ko nga ito. Pampaantok nga ito eh. Dahil medyo nasunog. Antokin ka dito pagka kinakain mo siya dahil sobrang tigas, nasunog eh. Oh, masarap siya. Kagaya pagka gutom na kayo talaga, masarap siya talaga.
So it's actually really good. I haven't tried the better set. I tried the sunog set though. And it's good. Like, it's not bad. I wish we made the gooey cream, but honestly, I would rather not. I mean, I'm too tired for that. Thank you, Alex ko, for telling me to do this and for the recipe. That's the recipe I used, the one she sent me. Thank you, Ate.
Okay lang. Talagang ganyan.
Thank you for helping me kahit 5 hours tayo nag... So, DJ is going to taste the cinnamon rolls I made. I liked it. Ate liked it. Mom said she liked it. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, share, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next week. Bye!
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a